Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and today we just have a brief little one magazine range session with an Austen Mark II. You know, the last one that I had of these, the magazine was really tight as well. All right, so semi-auto first. Around in the chamber. All right, that's enough of that foolishness. Let's try full auto. That was an out of battery. That's a lot of ammo coming out of that gun. I can't imagine why they didn't like this so much. I think we'll stop there for today. Thanks for watching.